Today I'm going to show you just some of the different cuts that we've made already and explain what they'd be used for. We've got a straight cut that we made earlier, and that can be cut obviously on anything, any wall, any situation where you need to make the tile smaller than what it originally was. Usually a 6x6, 8x8, 12x12, 16x16, or larger or smaller. There's all different kinds of sizes. So obviously we need to cut tile, and so that's what we've done tonight. That's the straight cut. Okay. The next thing I showed was the angle cut, and we can make decorative pieces by doing that. We showed earlier we can set these up. There's a little water on that one. Set these up to make decorations. You can do it on the floor. You can do it on backsplashes, in your bathroom, all kinds of things. It's a great way, easy way, inexpensive way to make your tile installation just gorgeous. Okay. We also have right angle cut. That's where you cut into here and here. We use that a lot around cabinets, walls, in many different applications where you'd have to have this kind of cut. And we'll go on from there. We had the three-sided cut. We had to come through here, down this side and up here. This application would be for outlets or for around door jambs, different things like that. Very common cut. We showed two different ways to do that. And so yeah. Okay. The next cut we had was an interior circular cut. This is very common. You could use this on anything that's circular, anything in your architecture that's circular, such as lighting fixture, outlets, and different things such as that. Okay. Next we showed the exterior circular cut. This is mostly decorative, but sometimes you have walls or cabinets or situations where you need to make that kind of cut. Beautiful cut. Looks much more difficult to do than not. It's actually one of the easier cuts.